Nepali flute melody with light drum beats.
Yeah.
Nepal in your cup, let's take a ride.
From the mountains to the plains, we got it all right. Yeah, sipping on that Nepali tea, fresh from the hilltop breeze. The Himalayas peace as far as eyes can see. Water flowing down straight from the snow, pure and free. It's more than just a drink, it's the spirit of the country. Herbs from the mountain, wild and rare. Breathe in deep, you feel it in the air. Orange from the inner Terai, sunshine so sweet. Every flavor in the land coming straight to your seat. Sip it slow, feel the glow from the mountains to the flow. Nepal's in my cup and I'm taking it home. Himalayan vibes with every sip I rise. From the Terai fields to the peaks in the skies. Nepali tea, feel the peace. Water from the heights, pure release. Herbs, fruits, grains, it's all inside. Sip of Nepal, come enjoy the ride. Bass hit hard like the thunder in the peaks. Nepali drum beats, feel the culture as it speaks. Grains from the Terai, golden fields wide. Feeding the nation, keeping spirits high. Rocking with the rhythm, feel the vibe grow. Every corner of the land got its own flow. From the plains to the peaks, unity in the sound. Nepali pride, this love is all around. Sip it slow, feel the glow from the mountains to the flow. Nepal's in my cup and I'm taking it home. Himalayan vibes with every sip I rise. From the Terai fields to the peaks in the skies. Nepali tea, feel the peace. Water from the heights, pure release. Herbs, fruits, grains, it's all inside. Sip of Nepal, come enjoy the ride. So when you're drinking that tea, feel the mountain breeze. Herbs and fruit, all brought with ease. Nepali spirit, through every cup you hold. In the hills, the plains, the warmth, the cold. From the Terai to the top, we're standing tall. Nepali flavors, the essence of it all. Take a sip, take a breath, feel the nation in your soul. One love, one land, we're ready to roll. Sip it slow, feel the glow from the mountains to the flow. Nepal's in my cup and I'm taking it home. Himalayan vibes with every sip I rise. From the Terai fields to the peaks in the skies. Nepali tea, feel the peace. Water from the heights, pure release. Herbs, fruits, grains, it's all inside. Sip of Nepal, come enjoy the ride. Yeah.